But yeah, we're chilling. We're at the condo. I'm gonna be unboxing my DJI gimbal that I just bought. And I bought a tripod just for this. Fucking stupid. I know, I'm an idiot. But it turns out I already had something that might work for it. I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully this fits the gimbal. If not, I'll just have to find a different mount. But that's okay. My new gimbal should be a lot better than my current one that I'm using. Even right now to stream, because the OM6 that I have, it's good if you're just gonna use a phone, you know, by itself, but I have a fan and I want to charge it, you know, do longer streams and not overheat my phone. So yeah, we're gonna wait a few more minutes, wait for some people to get in, but this is it. Brand new, just bought it. Seems pretty great. It's really meant for, like, you know, larger cameras and whatnot, but ooh, that's slick. Nice. Make sure you sniff that new electronic smell. All right, let me see. What's up, Sports Better? You got this little tape right here. I guess that kind of worked. Not really. I gotta go get like a knife or something. Hold on, guys. DJI make quality equipment. Yeah, they do. Don't try not to. But I should be able. This should be able to be edited into a decent video. There we go. Okay. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay. Ooh. Okay, let me smell it. Ooh. That fresh, right out the factory smell. Hey, Meatball, what's up, brother? And some empty box to hold it in place, I guess. I got the quick start guide here. No, Davila, what's up? Here it is, the big boy. Really the mini, but you know, same thing. Pretty good. Well, let's go ahead and just crack it open here. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh. This feels good. Not that heavy either. Oh, I think it's this way. Yeah, this is the right way to hold it. Okay, where's the tripod piece? So I could set it up. Okay, it's probably right here. Giving you guys a first person view here. Oh yeah, here's the tripod piece right here. Interesting. It's actually smaller than my tripod piece, I think, for my OM6, but it's got wider legs. If you don't mind me asking, what did you pay for it? It was 10,500 baht. So whatever that comes out to USD, it's like $300. And no, why would I mind asking the retail price of it? Bought it brand new. Okay, no, that's not a phone attachment. It's something else. I thought it was, though. You got some of the screws for the mounts, some silica. Here's the wires. I have like a million in USB-C cables and an L-shaped one. Seems pretty cool. Too bad it's not like 6 feet long. And well, that's it there. Okay, so let's pick it up here. This thing is really nice. And don't mind my messy condo. Mr. Sin is neat when I need to be. Oh yeah, feel that screw in for the first. Oh yeah. Nice. Very nice. Okay, what else is there underneath? Nothing? Okay, that's pretty much it. Okay, so we can set this up right here. Boom, look at that. Okay, so let's open this one up. I think this is quick release for the cameras, yeah. I don't imagine I'll be using this. Oh wait, maybe I can... No way, dude. Could I use this with my phone thing? Oh my god, dude. Please tell me I can use this. Hold on. So here's the screws. I'm gonna see if I can mount my phone mount to this here. I don't think I can. I don't think that's what this is for. No. Or maybe this one, smaller? Probably about the same. Yeah, no. It's alright. I was hoping, but not expecting. So, alright. So we'll just keep this and this, hopefully, on the gimbal itself. Let's just test it. Oh my god, is it gonna work? Oh, please. No, I think I gotta go out and buy a different camera mount thingy. Yeah, this is too big. The one time it being too big is bad. No. Damn it. Yeah, see, it's gotta be like this size. See here. That fits like perfectly. It's too big. Yeah, great for walk and talk streams, exactly. Because right now what I use is, and I'll show you guys, detach my thing. I use this gimbal, DJI OM6, you know, which has, you know, served its purpose quite well. But I cannot attach a phone with charger cable, cables and everything to it because it's too much weight. Like this, my phone fan. This one, I didn't buy this with the gimbal. This one didn't come with the gimbal. This one is separate. I was hoping by some miracle they'd be the same. How much was the fan? Take a guess, Zondo. You probably don't even want to know. But 4,000 bahts. 75? No. 1,000 baht? No. This was 700 baht, like $21. Yeah, and it's not battery operated. It's only power operated. So, and it has a heat sink plate right here, which has worked amazingly already. And you just plug it in, stick it to the back of the phone, and it keeps the phone really cool. And it's helped out a lot already. Problem is, I just can't use it with my current gimbal because, frankly, it's too much weight on one side. The cool thing about this gimbal is that it can calibrate its stabilization before you even, like, once you mount everything on it, it'll calibrate it. So it's got two, oh man, this is so cold already. If you guys can touch this, like, it's ice cold already. And it's got 2 speeds, you know, fat, like high and low, and then off. So, which ironically, it also produces a lot of heat, but this heat sink plate is super cool. Yamaguchi, what's up, brother? So I think if I screw it in, oh yeah, okay, we might be in luck here. Okay, here we go. Yeah, all right, we're good. We don't need to go out and buy a mount. Put this here, and then I have my phone mount right here, and I just screw it on there, dudes. Oh yeah, oh, there it is. Hell yeah, dudes. And then we just slide it on through here. Or how's it go? Oh, I think it goes this way. Okay, I think, pretty sure. Oh, I gotta fold this down. Duh, I was a little confused there. Boom. Now we just gotta figure out how to lock it in place, which I believe is this piece right here that says lock and unlock. You guys see that? And then we just put that like that. Whoo, there it is. All right, cool. Turns out we didn't need a phone mount. We can just mount one of these on it. So yeah, you have this lever here to unlock this and slide it out. Press this button to release the thing, and then bring it back this way. Wait for that to click, and then boom, dudes. Hey Zon, what's up, brother? So now let's plug it in. What's my phone at? My phone's got a good charge. So here, let's plug this in. The charging port is right here. The screen, by the way, is touch screen. So here, let's turn it on. Turn it on here. 40%, wow, more than I thought it would be. So I think we gotta hold it to turn it on. Yep, there we go. English, yeah. Device name, tap QR code, scan, download, we skip that. Okay, let's plug it in. Give it some more juice here. And we're looking at the screen. Gimbal locked or unbalanced, motors in sleep mode. Interesting. Oh, here's a lock here. Here's a lock here, and that should be it. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, I see the locks here. This one, we unlock here. Oh, it has a couple of extra locks, like to lock them in place. So we unlock here. Oh, it's shaking a lot. And I think we got one more, don't we? There it is. Okay. Can we move it? Oh. Here, let me read the quick start guide. All right, number 1, gimbal. I already did that. Unlocked those 2, did that. Okay. Don't need to attach the phone, did that. Horizontal shooting, we're already good on that. Vertical shooting, we're already good. All right, so can we rotate it? Look, it rotates. Cool thing too is about this gimbal is that it rotates 360 degrees as opposed to my current gimbal that has a, you know, limited. So I can put this on here, and I can put my phone, my fan, and some cooling cables or charging cables. Just got to calibrate it, and yeah, I don't think it has a telescoping like selfie stick thing. No, it definitely doesn't. We unlock this here, and we can adjust. That's cool. See that right here? If we unlock this piece right here, can adjust it, center it, you know, and it'll even tell you right here on the touch screen. Anyway, what that does is it tells you the balance of it. What you can do is, let's see, there's up, left, forward, or pan, tilt, and roll. So tilt would probably be this right here. Actually, no, the roll would be the tilt would be this, and roll would be this. Unlock this, and let's set it to calibrate real quick. How did he do that? Start calibration. There it is. See, now it's balanced to, you know, no phone, right? And then I can swing this around, and it can like has quite a lot of rotation here. And then when I'm walking, all I gotta do is, you know, put my phone up like this. Probably put the camera on the outside. So my phone would go like this. Nothing but love. What's up, brother? Do you have to recalibrate when you attach your phone? Yeah, you do. So right now, if we look at the settings here, so this would be like perfectly centered on tilt and pan with a little bit of roll to the right, which means we need to bring it to the left. So we would adjust this one here and then lock it, and that's much better. A dedicated wet weather cover might be worthy addition of this kit, of course, especially out here during the rainy season, you know. 100% agree. But yeah, so Oh, and also a cool thing about it too, if you guys have like a professional camera or anything, you can plug in a charging cable into the gimbal and it can charge your camera somehow through magic and wizardry. Able to attach my phone with a fan on it on the back, you know, a cooling fan on the back, and, well, not this phone, but like that, with the charging cables and everything attached, and I was still able to walk around without the gimbal, you know, losing balance or anything. 18,287 Thai baht here, just looked it up. Brutal. Yeah, it's 10,000 baht here. Well, there's also different versions. I got the mini. Make sure you're looking at the right version, because I got the mini, there's the normal, and then the pro. And eventually I do want to get a legit camera put on this for those interesting shoots. Yeah. So yeah, look up the mini. Barry is rolling right, so we need to roll it left. You can also adjust this. Bring this back. That's a little bit better. That's much better, actually. Now let's recalibrate it, see if we can get it even better. Happy, what's up, brother? But okay, guys, that was fun. I'm gonna relax. I might stream tonight, depending on how I feel. I gotta take a nap. I will catch you guys later, and video quality and everything should be getting a lot better, especially being able to keep my gimbal or my phone cool and higher resolution, higher bit rate and whatnot. So yeah, guys, anyway, catch you guys later.